Hi babes, in today's video I am going to be doing a makeup comparison between two Nigeria celebrities. One is an OAP while the other person is a cross dresser. So I am going to be starting with my skincare, and I'm basically using same skincare on both sides of the face. And on one side, which is the TOKE MAKINWA side, I am going to be going light-handed. She's more of a skin soft glam girl type of makeup look, and on the side with Mommy of Lagos, which is Bob Risky, is always on full coverage makeup look. She's always on full coverage makeup look, pardon me guys. And she likes everything to be very pronounced, the brows to the makeup to the lips to the eyes to the lashes, even the nose ring. She likes to make it very pronounced. But on this side of TOKE MAKINWA, she likes the soft glam makeup look. Skin, for me, I feel is most important for her because of how her makeup look. Her makeup is very soft glam and it is beautiful. Both makeup are beautiful, but I'm just showing you guys that different celebrities with different type of makeup styles that suit their personality. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Bye guys.